Hello students, in this video we will discuss about a numerical problem related to solution of linear inequality in two variables. Our problem is solve inequalities 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 6 and 6. This is the first solution. Now here, first we find the equation with respect to this inequality. Therefore, corresponding equation of inequalities 1 will be change this sign into the equal. That means 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Now first we draw the graph of this line. For this we will take any points on this line. So if we take any 2 points on this line, if we put x equal to 0 in this line, in this equation, so y will be 2, and if y equal to 0, then x will be 3. Then we will draw the graph of this line. Since 0, 2, that means 0, 0 and 2, 1, 2. This point will be 0, 2 and 3, 0. That means on the x-axis 1, 2, 3, and this point will be 3, 0. Since it is seen here, 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to 6. That means this is including. So this line will be regular line. But if in this question this sign is not given, that means if 2x plus 3y is greater than only 6, then this will be dotted line. But here given greater than or equal to. So this will be a regular line like this. And this is the 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Now, if you want to find the solution of this inequalities, so you should be put 0, 0. That means this is the origin, and coordinate of this origin is 0, 0. Put in this, put 0, 0 in 1. Therefore, 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 is greater than 6. That means 0 is greater than 6. Since this statement is not true, since this is not true, therefore its solution, therefore it is not contain origin, not contain origin. Therefore its solution will be outer, means this is the upper half plane, and this is the lower half plane, That means its solution will be upper half plane, But if satisfied this to statement of this, then this solution will be lower half plane, that means towards the origin. So solution of this will be like this and shaded this portion, and this is known as solution of these inequalities. Now in the next video we will discuss about solution of linear inequalities as a solution of system of linear inequalities.